Today on the Recipe Rebel, we are making Instant Pot Chili Mac. It's easy, it's hearty, and the whole family loves it. We're gonna start by browning our lean ground beef in the Instant Pot on saute. We're only using one pot today, and we're gonna add in some onion and red pepper. Next, we're gonna add in our spices and give them a quick toast in the pan that really wakes up the flavor. So we are adding chili powder, minced garlic, cumin, and salt. Then we're gonna add in our beans. I'm using black beans, but kidney beans work well as well. And our beef broth. We're gonna give the bottom a good scrape just to pick up any little bits that might be stuck on. So the layering of this pasta is really the key to success. First, we're gonna stir in our pasta sauce, and then we're gonna top with our macaroni and just spread it out and gently press it down into the liquid. We don't wanna stir or it might get stuck on the bottom. Now we're just gonna put the lid on and select manual or pressure cook and cook for just a couple minutes. The key to really great Instant Pot pasta is not to overcook it. Now we're just gonna open it up, give it a stir. Some of the macaroni might look a little dry or stick together, but once you stir it, it will all separate. We're gonna stir in our milk and our cheese, and we're ready to serve.